You'll be able to do the exam. All right, so we have here, and some of these you already know. So we have here awalan. So firstly, al-mufradat. Mufradat, which is basically vocabulary. سل بين الشيء والمكان الذي يوجد فيه. Alright? So sil, which means to connect. Alright, so connect بين, between the thing and the place of which it will be present in. Alright? So for example, I'll do the first one. I'll do one very easy. Like for example, we have the word salah and masjid. So salah will be present in the masjid. The rest you all will do for yourself. Okay. Next one. We have أضف كلمتين إلى كل مجموعة. Alright. So we have the word here أثاث. So we have the word أثاث, which means furniture. Alright, we have that, which means furniture. So now you're going to add two pieces of furniture that you know. Alright, I'll do the first one. Look at it, like, oh no, actually I'll do this one here. I'll do the second one. I'm the third one. أعداد ترتيبية. Right? This is basically the same thing I was just talking about. الأولى, so الأول, so الأول, الثاني. So for example, الثاني. And the next one will be الثالث. ثالث. Alright? So like that. So that's what you'll be doing for the rest of them. So it have different words here, like أثاث. You're going to put two different types of أثاث. أفعال, which is verbs. You're going to put two different types of verbs here. Right? أعداد, which is numbers. You're going to put two different numbers here. It don't even matter if it's in order or anything like that. Just put two numbers. غرف, you put two different types of rooms. Right? We mentioned earlier a room, but I'm not going to say it right now. American, two different types of places. Right? Any kind of place. You have masjid here. Any place. You could even use the rooms I used earlier in the places again. Istifham. Istifham is how you ask questions. Right? So we learned today one way to ask questions. One way, which is like, I'm gonna say it because this one will be a little difficult. Limadha. For example, limadha. Right? Top other ways to say it, like men, limadha. Hal is one of them. Kayf, we learned that kayf al-hal. You know, istifham is basically asking questions. How are you gonna ask? Right? Alright? طيب. This one here, ضع علامة الخطأ على الكلمة الغريبة. So we have some kalimat here. So you put in the X on the one that looking weird. Right? So we have طبيب, mudarris, muhandis, and sitara. Sitara is a curtain. So this one is the weird one, right? And they're going to do that for the rest of them. Right? So the other one, look at this other one here is a very easy one as well, but I'm not going to tell you the answers. The next one here. سل بين الجزئي الجملة. Alright, so you're going to basically connect the two أجزاء, جزئي, the two versions of the two parts of the sentences. I put them together. Right? So we have here يغسل, which is a verb that we know. يشاهد, which is a verb that we know as well. You know all these verbs, right? Let's match up one. يشاهد تلفاز. right? يشاهد التلفاز. He watches the television, right? Next one, we have there أكمل بالوضع الكلمات الصحيحة مما بين القوسين. So you're gonna use this one of the words here, a qaus. You see, look at that. We didn't even learn the word qausain. It didn't come up once in the entire book yet, you know. So it have some words that I wouldn't know. So that's why I do that right now. Qausain. This is a qaus, right? So in the bracket, you're gonna use one of the words that's in the bracket to fill the sentence. So the first one, في الشقة أربعة. Arba, what you say? So we learned this. We learned that when you take the number have to be between 3 to 10. The number have to be either mudhakkar or muannath. If it's a male word, it have to be a female number. If it's a female word, it have to be a male number. So for example, the first one, I'm gonna give it all, yeah. Alright, so arba'u, because this is a male number, you're gonna use a female word. غرفة. Right? Like that. Alright. And let's have this one, Kem, Ham, like, you know, you can use one of these two here. It's okay if you get some stuff wrong. I'm not gonna like penalize you, but we didn't learn certain things. So for example, we didn't even learn this word here, Hammaman. We didn't learn that. So certain things you can kind of tell, right? And after you pick it, you just, you know, maybe just cross it out or you circle it or whatever to show that that's it.
Check.
Yeah.
Check one thing. That last one is the J just now, right?
Yeah.
But Ghurfatun is singular and Ghuraf is plural.
Ghurfatun, singular, Ghurfat. Oh, subhanAllah. There you go. That is true. That is true. Ghuraf. Arba ghuraf. Yeah, strange. That is strange. It's supposed to be Arfa Ghurafat.
Sheikh, remember that the broken plural take the feminine singular. So
yeah, it's true. This is supposed to be Arba'atu. It's supposed to be Arba'atu Ghuraf. Actually. Arba'atu Ghuraf. It's supposed to be a female number here. This is actually weird, yeah. So this is a mistake here in the exam. It's supposed to be Arba'atu Ghuraf. Yeah, so this one, Jazakallah khair wa tawfiq. So yeah, Arba'atu Ghuraf. Next we have here a conversation, a passage. So I would just read the passage and I would let's see. So اقرأ الفقرة ثم أجب بالنعم أو لا. Right, so you're gonna put a sahih or khata. So to have the questions here. So there's a comprehension exercise. So I'll read it out right now so you can understand what the exercise is saying. But the questions, I'm not gonna read them out, so you guys could try to figure it out, inshallah. Alright. So let's make sure I didn't take off that. Okay, so we have the word here. يستيقظ أحمد مبكرا عند الفجر. So Ahmed wakes up early at Fajr. يصلي الفجر في المسجد. He prays Fajr in the masjid. أحمد لا ينام بعد صلاة الفجر. Ahmed doesn't sleep after صلاة الفجر. هو يقرأ القرآن. He reads Quran. يذهب إلى المدرسة بالحافلة الساعة السابعة. He goes to the school by bus at 7 o'clock. يوم العطلة يستيقظ مبكرا أيضا. On the days off, on the day off, he wakes up early as well. يوم الجمعة في الصباح يقرأ صحيفة أو كتابا. On Friday in the morning, he reads newspaper or a book. a newspaper or a book, it will have al, so a newspaper or a book. ويصلي الجمعة في المسجد الكبير, and he prays Jum'ah in the big masjid. So now you're just going to answer those questions there. I'm not going to answer any one of those because I actually give you the whole passage translated. Okay, so this one here have my little weird, it's supposed to be Arbatul Huruf, but I'll check it and I'll message you back. But you got it. But as basically that.